Namaskar. I welcome you once again on my YouTube channel Yoga with Satyam. Friends, our today's topic is 5 secrets to increase your testosterone levels and boost your mental and physical health and enjoy a great sexual life. Yes, everyone wants it. So, without further delay, let's start our content. But before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, click that subscriber button and press that bell icon too, because I keep on bringing such brilliant informative videos for you. Now, tip number 1, you got to take care of your zinc and vitamin D3 and E. See, vitamin D3, the best source as we all know is sunlight. Although you can go for the supplements, but I would highly recommend that bright sunlight is the best source for vitamin D3, and it would improve your overall bone health in your body. So go for a good sunlight. Then comes vitamin E. What you can do for it? Peanuts. Then go for sunflower seeds. Almonds, they are the best source for vitamin E, and it would also boost up your testosterone levels plus the overall health. So go for these things. Now it's time for tip number 2, which is related to Ayurveda. And in Ayurveda, king of herbs is Ashwagandha, which has got multiple mental and physical benefits. Yes, and it reduces the stress levels, boosts your testosterone levels and overall sexual performance. How to take it? If you got any weight issues, take Ashwagandha, half teaspoon or 2 capsules with water. If you don't got weight issues, take Ashwagandha with milk during night. And one more thing with it, go for Brahmi herb. It's also brilliant for your sexual health and mental health too. You can take it in powder form, or you can go for 2 capsules of Brahmi with plain water. Go for these 2 brilliant herbs. Now it's time for secret number 3, and it's also related to Ayurveda. Yes, it's science of life. We have to go by it for our good mental and physical health. So in tip number 3, there are multiple tips actually, and first one is cow ghee. Cow ghee is really a very rich source of omega-3 fatty acids. You have to go for it. Plus, it increases your sperm count, sperm motility, boost your testosterone level. Friends, if you don't got any weight issues, take cow ghee with cow milk during night before sleep, or you can take it with lukewarm water, but do take it. It's a brilliant source of your sexual health, amazing sexual health. Continuing that, go for Ayurvedic full body massage. Ayurvedic herbs and oil provides a rejuvenating and revitalizing effect on your mind and body. Then Shirodhara, it's a brilliant therapy to activate your brain cells, to improve neurogenesis and make your brain stress free, release down the stress. Go for it. Okay, our fourth point is diet and sleep. 2 most important things in diet: eat small portions, avoid in between snacking, add fruits in your diet. Fruits are a really good source of vitamins and minerals. You got to add them in your every meal, or maybe one meal in a day. Add raw salads, not much quantity but a small quantity of raw salads. Your evening meal is important. Keep it less, keep it more in salad form or soup form, and eat it early. You got to have your evening meal before 8 p.m. or 7 p.m. Just small tips on diet. Then sleep is the most important thing to have a great mental and physical health. You got to have a deep sleep, you got to have a sound sleep. A good 7 to 8 hour sleep really rejuvenates you, boost up your mental and physical health. So please do take care of your sleep. If you got issues with sleeping, just go for some guided meditation before sleeping, or some breath work. Use eye mask before sleeping. Just make your room dark before you sleep. So try out other options, whatever suits you, but make sure that you get a really good sleep. Friends, our last and most important point is stress management. Manage your stress, because trust me, stress is the major cause of the dull sexual health, dull mental and physical health. You got to manage your stress. Go for short time guided meditations, go for guided yoga nidra, go for exercising maybe thrice a week, go for yoga thrice a week. do anything but reduce the stress which is in your work environment, stress which is there in your relationships. Work on this stress management most. And trust me, if you do that, you would get an amazing mental and physical health, and you would get an rocking sexual health. I hope you like this video. If yes, please do share it with your friends and all the others whom you care for. Do like this video, subscribe to my channel, and press that bell icon too, because I would keep on bringing such brilliant videos for you in future too. Thank you so much. Namaskar.